Welcome to our garden. In this video, we are going to be harvesting some of our produce from our August garden. Join us as we harvest, and I will be taking you on a little mini tour of our garden. We have some strawberries. It's actually mid of August, almost mid of August. These are not very productive, but they are the sweetest strawberries you can find. I apologize a little bit for the noise on the street because it's now evening time and there's a lot of traffic, everybody going back and forth from work. So anyway, this is real life and it's not a studio. And let me take you here. And this is how our garden is looking like.
Very, very healthy. I forgot why. Something vitamin C or something, I don't know.
It's a lot of antioxidants inside.
Our doctor told us to grow them and use them.
Actually, they taste the best when they're dry.
Yes.
Wet,
when
fresh
they're
ones.
not dry, they are a little bit, what you call, astringent.
Yeah, when they're dry, they're really sweet.
Now, even if they're a little bit shrinkled like this, then they're really dry.
Yeah.
They're almost dry by themselves. So I start harvesting them, okay? Okay, I don't know how to do it, so I just do it like this.
Really?
And they're really ripe.
Then they're sweet.
Oh, they're so nice. Sweet.
Okay.
Not too sweet.
Actually, last year we didn't have a good harvest, right?
Yes.
It was really
There's
poor.
hardly anything.
Luckily,
It's really nice.
luckily the voles didn't eat up this tree. They did struggle a little bit, but maybe it's too astringent for the voles.
Too healthy.
Good. In my last garden video, we finished off at the pawpaw tree, and I think we've got almost all the pawpaws, and we are waiting for them to ripen. A couple of years back, we had really a lot of pawpaws. We had a really cold and wet July, and now it gets really hot, which we are grateful for, and our fruits are really ripening nicely. Just so many. We can harvest some zucchinis today. I can store these zucchinis a little bit longer in the cellar. It becomes almost like a pumpkin with very thick skin. I had to give it a break with cooking some zucchinis, but there's just so many right now. We were also on holiday and there was really nobody to look at these zucchinis to harvest, and so they really tripled in size. You have some strawberries, but they're not really growing or flowering here. We have a lot of strawberries on the ground, but they don't seem to flower. This is the other potatoes which we could harvest, but I'm stalling it a little bit, and we will harvest them once they're completely dried out. And we have some broccolis to harvest. And there you see our first pumpkin. We have two varieties. One of them is this butternut squash, but I think we should get a few this year. I'm going to take out all these dead bud roses that dried up. Others I will get rose hips, but I think I prefer to have more roses than rose hips. Rose hips you can make jam, you can use them for teas. They are very good source of vitamin C. We may get one more season of roses. This way the plant has a little bit more energy.
Okay. After drying, they will all look like this.
We just drew sun dry, or should we put it in the special dryer we have for the...
Good question. Do we have to wash it before?
I think so. We did it like that. We have it.
Yeah, okay.
They store really long.
Inside before I take
Both of us. This is so sweet, I tell you. You know,
There's one more.
my husband is actually allergic to strawberry, except if we have organic strawberry, you know.
Organic strawberry have no profit effect. Don't look so much like this, like when they're new,
Yeah.
but
They're more dense and they're thicker.
yeah, but
We have been cutting and using the broccoli,
yeah.
and
They
now
come again.
I think it's a good thing to plant. Cauliflower is just one season, but broccoli we can have a few seasons till the winter.
So I leave this, then they will come again.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Small one, what is the point? Maybe in a couple of days.
Yeah, look, the small ones here,
Oh, that would be nice.
here, and this is the big ones. This is for storing, so-called summer squash.
Yeah, it becomes a pumpkin and hard skin. Tooth this side. God, this is really huge. Wow. Yeah, okay.
Here you see I put the flower pot so that the mice don't come from down and start eating.
Ah, yeah.
Because we made that bad experience before.
Last year we had only...
Very big one, and inside it was hollow. All mice just ate it. So what I do is I take also the grass off here, so that they have no hiding place. Because when they have hiding place, they come out. If they don't have hiding place, they don't dare to. Three, 4 months like that.
Easily, yeah. Till the winter we can manage.
Beginning of winter.
But we get already enough of zucchini. Nobody wants to eat anymore. We are cutting them so that they're like sticks at this point. And even that fennel has started to flower. You can't use
They're
it.
so soft. I can
No,
cut
no,
them
no,
so
no,
easily.
no. It just sticks. It's finished. But this will be good in winter. It will be ready. You know, now it's August. Yeah, in a couple of months they will be really good then. That is the mint. Don't want.
I don't want the stalks to grow inside.
Yeah, yeah. They already start. Oh, even that in the compost. Don't want here. They will grow there then, you know. We planted this mint last year as a remedy to chase away the voles, but it didn't work, it seems. They just spread so wild. Mint is very, very invasive. We are cutting all of this so that the new shoots come out from this existing plant itself. And here you see that they are growing. From the previous one. We harvested a couple of months back. And now I don't think I will be cooking them. It's really like sticks inside. Nice smell from the mint though. This was kohlrabi over here, but the slugs had a nice feast with our kohlrabi. So it's gone.
Ate the whole
And even this, the leaves is gone.
Yeah, the same thing. Is it?
While we are at it, we thought we'll just remove this invasive mint over here and clean up a little bit these raised beds. There's quite a lot of mint growing all in between from the old planting. Let's take out here. We have a lot of hazelnuts. Pity is that I don't know what to do with all of them, but I could gift it to my neighbor. She loves hazelnuts. She used to come and pick herself. They are also growing really wild. Actually, hazelnut grows really wild here.
3, 4 at least big bushes.
Let me take you across the creek. Here we cut a lot of our elderflowers and even some hazelnut. We had to cut them because they were taking away the light. Okay. We have a couple of cucumbers.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can.
Cucumber is very difficult to cut because they're so narrow on their stem. So you have to make sure that the stem doesn't get cut.
Oh, that you can leave, let it grow, let it grow, let it grow.
No, we wanted the small one for.
So here you see a few more flowers, but I think they're already end of the season with the cucumbers.
But you see there's more, the small ones, did you pickle them already? Just for that pickling.
Yeah. Even this. Okay, here we have some wild tomatoes. No, actually we planted them. They're really fleshy and quite sweet. I made a sauce with them, but very little. It's not yet very much. We take them in this stage and we ripen it inside the house so they don't fall off. Okay.
So they will ripen inside the house nicely. Keep it together with the right ones.
Yeah. This beans.
The beans is always the problem. You have to be careful not to pull the whole plant.
And actually, they have to pick them already because they're otherwise getting too, like. This one is not bad. The other one down here, we have some.
Some more. It takes so much time to just search them.
Because they look so similar, like the stalks, I see here one. Doesn't have to be huge, otherwise they're too old. Now we are getting some. It's a big, right, in this one?
Yeah.
This is some wild cherries, and we will pick some of them, but I have to wait till they get really dark, and then we could eat them. The stones are big, or I could even make a jam out of it. Just cook it and then strain out with the food mill. I could just mix and then remove out the pulp and then make a jam. But I haven't tried it out. This year we have a lot of them and it's a lot to harvest. It's just everywhere. We planted this tree I think maybe 8 years back. It was a year after we moved here. See them here. Oh,
What to do?
it's a little too much or what?
Yeah, it's
They're falling apart. We could try to collect it and make that green salad, remember?
so look here. There's between, and this one they come off very easy. How do you top? It's up to you. Just fell off.
Okay, take whatever is there. Some can get ripe actually over there. They will get ripe on the ground.
It's just too heavy.
So
It's a
this
shovel
is
or
our green tomato greenhouse. And
Small one.
yeah, this is the smaller one which is outside and they're slowly ripening. Look, there's one on the ground too. Due to the weight of the tomato falling down, we are going to pick some of the green ones. I can make a chutney and I can maybe do a pickle with that. I will link that video and the blog post for the green tomato salad. That can be stored a little bit longer because that is pickled, and you can do water bath canning with that, and it's a really great hit in our home. You can have it as a side for raclette, for bread, for almost anything. Okay, this
They're
looks
already a little bit cleaned, and this one also. This is not yet.
okay. This is our onion harvest. We are drying them in the greenhouse
Yeah.
because we cannot leave it out. It was raining a lot, you know.
And this chili falls off. I have to.
I think you can pick some of these chilies here. We could use some of them, but they're not getting red. I know, if it would be red, would be
Give me
great.
something to.
But I can use this for the green tomato
See
salad.
some stick or something. I can. Done.
Yeah.
Okay, should I? Should I take some?
Yeah, take it. I can use it for some salad.
Too much water. So I take some of the tomatoes. That's it.
This is the other one. They're very sturdy and they also store well in the freezer. You can make nicely sauce. Actually, they're really good for freezing. Just you can freeze them like that. They're quite good. This raised bed is falling apart a little bit. So next year, I guess we will take this apart. Here we have some rosemary. Then this is some thyme here. Then some chives. Then we have some sage here. And it's not much. Before we had full pot of that here. But now we have contained it because sage, mint, all these, even there's something called melisse. They're all really invasive. They can take over the whole garden if we leave them. So this year we just contain them all in these small pots and this small region. Rosemary is also invasive, by the way. So we have to plant them in a smaller pot next time. And then you also have this stinging nettle all over on the side. These are all stinging nettle which has grown really big and they have the flowers. This is our harvest today and we have a little bit more of green tomatoes and a lot of these big sized zucchini. I hope you enjoyed harvesting our vegetables with us virtually, and on this note I will end this video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.